Hi, have you heard of PivotBy, right? PivotBy is a very relatively simple thing, right? It's just a few. The basic would be this, right? The first part is the column, and then there is this function. Sorry, and then there's a values, and then there's a function. So let's just begin, right? So let's say I have this data here. I'll just delete this, right? Now equal PivotBy. And then we specify the table name. The table is T cells, and then there is this column. Then comma. Then the column field. We don't have column field. We have values, right? The value is the column called amount, and followed by a function, right? So there's a list of functions that we can make use of, right? Sum. So let's just try the sum. So that's it. So this is the basic. It's like a pivot table, and you can see that we just basically sum up all those right? It's like a sum if, right? So we just add up all these value here, right? So all these four, 1, 3, 2, 5. Very simple. Now, if you want to show some average count, right, altogether, how would you do that? Well, you can do something like this. The first two parts remain the same, and then the HStack is here, right? Okay, one moment. Right, we can just put one more things here. Let's just see here, right? Okay, yes. Just put a comma 0, and you can see there is not much change. All right, let's just take a look at here, right? We just need to use the HStack, and then followed by this here, and you can see this here, right? So what's the HStack, right? Let's just go back to my notes here, right? So the HStack, right? The HStack is a function that stacks array horizontally. Now, how do you stack horizontally? Is that you can see that here, A1 to A3, and then A4 to A6, right? So every 3 blocks is a block, right? So this 2 block, right? I want to arrange it as a horizontally. So that's actually combining multiple arrays into horizontal sequence, right? Side by side. So yes, the key is side by side. So you can also do something like this, right? You can see here that we're using the same array, but for a different function, right? For a different aggregation, one is sum, the other average, and that's why you get these numbers here. All right, so now we understand HStack, right? We can just come back to here. That's so if I want to stack a sum and a count, right? So I can use the HStack, right? So basically, I really have a sum function, a sum, right? And then I just want to rearrange it that way, right? So I can use the HStack sum and then count and enter and take a look at that. We have the sum and the count right there. So yep. We just use the another one called VStack. Let's just see here. Well, we can, right? You can see that VStack right here. Okay, we stack it vertically, and we also can have horizontally. There are many ways to do that. And finally, we can also do another one called, you can see there's a combo here. How to do that? Well, you can combine them together, right? So I explained this in this combine a pivot table and a text function, right? So basically, inside is about same. We just need a text function. So just come back here and write the text. And then comma. And then we have the hash. I think it's about there here. Okay, let's just see here. So that's it, right? You can see that 1, 3, 2 something, and then yeah, we're using this format, this number custom format, right? We can also do something like within IM, or if you want a decimal point, you can add the 0, 0 there. So let's take a look at here, right? Let's say I want that to be equal moving can there, right? If I just IM, then this will have IM as well. So I don't know if we can just do I just want to do a text on this column. Right, wait. Let's see whether I can do this here text just on the column. Now so without this, I wonder we can just do this here. No, we can't do that here. We can do this text over here to submit. So that would be another thing to figure out then, right? So for that column, how can I format it, right? Ooh. Good. So if you know how to figure out this, right, let me know, please, right? And yeah, you can reach out to me at here. LinkedIn can out here. The above names training provider.